Teslas offer advanced solutions to maintain climate control even after you leave the vehicle. These features ensure comfort, safety, and pet care by using the car's battery to power the HVAC system. Tesla provides three key features for this purpose: camp mode for extended comfort, dog mode for pet safety, and cabin overheat protection for automatic safety measures. Camp mode keeps the cabin at your desired temperature when parked, perfect for camping or waiting. Simply activate it through the vehicle's touchscreen. Dog mode is designed specifically for pets, monitoring the cabin and maintaining climate control. It sends live camera feeds to your phone for peace of mind. Cabin overheat protection automatically activates when temperatures rise dangerously, cooling the cabin to prevent heat stroke for children or pets left inside. These modes leverage Tesla's electric architecture and advanced software for enhanced comfort and safety. As of December 2025, they're standard on all Tesla models. Camp mode is designed for situations like camping or waiting in your car. When activated while parked, it maintains a consistent cabin temperature you set, such as 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. It includes automatic fan control and monitors the battery to prevent over-discharge, sending app notifications for low battery warnings. For indefinite use, connecting to an external power source is recommended. Dog mode is similar to camp mode, but specifically for pets. In addition to climate control, it activates interior cameras, providing a live feed to your phone. Key features include motion detection, alerting you if your pet is overly active. You can adjust settings via the app, even locking doors to prevent escapes, ensuring your pet's welfare. The 2025 software enhancements have reduced false alarms by 40%. Cabin overheat protection automatically activates when the car detects high internal temperatures, typically above 105 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 40 degrees Celsius. When this happens, it automatically runs the air conditioning to cool the cabin, helping to prevent heat stroke in children or pets, and even damage to items left inside the vehicle. This is a passive safety feature that doesn't require any user activation. It works automatically. Additionally, it's required by law in certain states in the United States. Tesla continuously improves camp mode, dog mode, and cabin overheat protection through software updates. The V12.5 software release in mid-2024 enhanced energy management, allowing camp mode and dog mode to run up to 48 hours on a full charge, up from 24 hours. AI-driven monitoring now detects unusual cabin temperatures or pet distress, sending alerts via the Tesla app. The 2025 Model Y refresh includes a low-power mode option that prioritizes essentials during extended use. Tesla's climate features are designed to be energy efficient, using advanced systems to minimize power consumption. The 2025 updates incorporate machine learning to predict energy needs, reducing battery drain by 20 to 30% compared to 2023 models. A Model 3 can maintain climate for 10 to 15 hours on battery alone in moderate conditions. Keep in mind that frequent use can impact battery degradation over time. Sarah Thompson's cross-country RV trip demonstrates the practical benefits of camp mode. In her Model Y, plugged into campground outlets, the system maintained a comfortable cabin temperature for 36 hours straight, eliminating the need for hotel stays and showcasing reliable, energy-efficient climate control. Dog mode proved crucial for a Tesla owner in Arizona during a scorching heat wave. The system's advanced monitoring detected signs of pet distress, sending an immediate alert via the mobile app. This timely notification allowed for a quick rescue, preventing heat exhaustion and highlighting the feature's potential to save lives. Cabin overheat protection demonstrated its critical safety role in a California incident. When a child was accidentally left in a parked Tesla, reaching 110 degrees Fahrenheit inside, the system automatically activated air conditioning, rapidly cooling the cabin to 80 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. This automatic intervention prevented a tragedy, showcasing Tesla's commitment to passenger safety. To maximize the benefits of Tesla's climate modes, ensure your vehicle is in park mode and configure your preferences in the climate settings menu on the touchscreen. Monitor your Tesla's battery levels closely, particularly during extended climate mode usage, to prevent over-discharge and ensure your vehicle remains ready for driving. Take advantage of Tesla's over-the-air software updates, which bring enhancements to energy management and climate mode performance for better efficiency. Consider integrating your Tesla with smart home ecosystems, allowing remote climate control adjustments through compatible devices for added convenience. Balance the convenience of climate modes with battery health by monitoring usage and allowing sufficient charging time, keeping your Tesla ready for driving. Following these best practices will help you get the most out of Tesla's climate control features while preserving your vehicle's battery and overall performance.